Turn on the leak detector, and I set it to 3 for now. I just wanted to show you without having the valve on what happens. It's a constant beat. If you touch steel though, you're gonna have it's gonna set off a warning. Didn't do it. Try it on 7. There you go. Okay, so you can't go too close to where you think the leak might be, or if you're just checking things out, I would say stay about 1 inch away. I'll show you why in a second. And now I have it leaking a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that. Anyway, let me turn on the detector again. I'm only going to put it at 3 right now. Actually, let me put it at 4. See what happens here. See? Okay, so this baby works.